Hey, welcome back. Let's move on to the next tool for your market research. I mentioned it already in the previous lecture. I'm of course talking about Google Trends. You might have used Google Trends before, but I'll show you how you can use this for your course topic research. Google Trends is a free tool designed to help you explore the popularity of search terms over time and across different regions. It's an incredibly valuable resource for validating your course topic idea, or it can be, by understanding how interested people are in that term. So what is it? What is Google Trends? It's a tool, of course, provided by Google that shows you how often a particular search term is entered relative to the total search volume across different regions of the world and in various languages. It helps you to gauge the interest in specific topics over time, making it an excellent resource for very basic market research. So why would you use this tool, Google Trends, for your market research? Well, when you're considering a topic for your online course, one of the first things you want to know is whether there's a demand for it. Google Trends allows you to identify trends over time, see if interest in your course topic, if it's growing, if it's stable, or if it's perhaps declining. And this can help you to decide whether to proceed with your idea or to refine it. You can also compare topics. If you have a few course ideas, for instance, the top 2 or 3 that you've written down in the previous lectures, and if you're still undecided between those topics, you can use Google Trends to compare a few course ideas. You can compare the popularity of the terms to see which one has the most interest. Google Trends also suggests related topics and queries, just like keywords everywhere, which can give you new ideas or angles for your course. Then, geographic interest. See where in the world people are searching for your topic the most, which can help you target your marketing efforts more effectively, because at the end of the day, you need to sell your course. So when you start to use ads, you can target these ads to specific areas where the interest is the biggest or the highest. How do you use Google Trends for your course topic research? First, access Google Trends by going to trends.google.com. I will put the link in the course or the lecture description as well. You'll see a search bar where you can enter the terms you want to explore. Then, number 2, search for your course topic. Enter a keyword related to your course topic. For example, if you're thinking of creating a course on digital marketing, type that into the search bar. Google Trends will then show you a graph displaying the interest in this term over time. Number 3, analyze the interest over time. Look at the trend line to see if interest is increasing, if it's decreasing, or if it's remaining steady. A rising trend might indicate a growing interest, making it a good time to launch a course on this topic. I gave you an example earlier of basic coding of a friend of mine. This was his example back then. Number 4, compare different topics. If you're undecided between a few topics, because you've written down a top 2 or top 3, if by now you haven't made your decision yet, you can compare those topics in this tool as well. You can compare them by clicking the plus sign, plus compare, and enter additional search terms. Google Trends will display the comparison in the same graph, making it very easy to see which of those topics is more popular. Then number 5, explore related queries. Scroll down to find related queries. This section shows other terms people are searching for that are related to your keyword. This can help you refine your course topic or discover new areas to cover that might be in demand. Then, number 6, check geographic interest. Scroll down further to see the interest by region map. This shows you where people are most interested in your topic. You see that I usually, or in this example, use worldwide, but you can use any region that you're interested in. If your course is relevant to a particular region, this information can help you tailor your marketing efforts as well. Here's a practical example. Let's say that you're considering creating a course on mindfulness meditation. You enter this term into Google Trends and see a rising interest over the past few years. You also compare it with stress management and notice that while both terms are popular, mindfulness meditation has a sharper upward trend. This data might suggest that mindfulness meditation is a more timely topic. But you could also combine elements of both to create a more comprehensive course. Then next, some tips for using Google Trends effectively. First, use specific keywords. The more specific your keywords are, the more relevant your data will be. The second tip is to look at different time ranges. Check the interest over different periods, for instance, the past 12 months, the past 5 years, etc., to get a sense of the trend over time. The third tip is to consider seasonal trends. Some topics may have seasonal interest. For instance, fitness-related searches might spike in January when people are making New Year's resolutions. So, to summarize, Google Trends is a powerful and free tool that can help you validate your course topic by showing you how popular it is and how interest in it has changed over time. By using Google Trends, you can ensure that your course idea aligns with current market demands, increasing your chances of success. In the next lecture, we'll continue exploring more tools and techniques to refine and validate your course ideas. Of course, you don't have to use all these tools, right? I didn't say this before, but of course you can pick one or two. I use 2 tools to do this research. And after these lectures, it will be clear or more clear to you which of these tools are the best for you. I see you in the next lecture. Bye.